Hello traders, in front of you AlphaFibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8 projected on 5-minute chart. Trades played out on multiple other charts. I choose to project software on 5. What's important to know? Precise entry, stop and target, simplicity and purity is a recent system and software traded globally on all instruments. Price collapse from RZ reversal zone is expected. On Thursday, on Friday, market picked up this theme again. From bold green zone as institutions been buying the market with vengeance for the last week. This morning it's entirely different market than Thursday and Friday. This morning we need sell-off, we need the crash. Intelligent trader knows far in advance. This is a red zone. This is your trading range this morning as a retail trader. That's it. Powerful sell-off, powerful institutional profit taking is critical this morning. Entirely different trading day than Thursday and Friday. So when you focus on simplicity and you stop chasing indicators and you start using your limitless brain, you know well before market open that price reached AlphaFibonacci reversal zone on retail chart, as we discussed with my traders pre-market. There is no software on this chart, only proprietary strategies and proprietary tool. This is what 5-minute chart looks like without software. This is what 3-minute chart looks like without software. This is key level to the downside. And you know this well before market open. Intelligent trader understands and monitors the scanner. Scanner gives you multiple alerts. This constitutes institutional profit taking. Scanner giving you single alert, it will constitute junky retail pullback. That's it. And that's a critical key event, and that's how you prepare with and without software to trade all time frames, all instruments, all platforms with ultimate precision. And if you're looking on institutional chart as we projected days in advance, this is where bullish rally heading to. As we discussed with my traders, sell-off and crash today is a beautiful news, as micro retail chart confirmed. And if you are prepared many days in advance, you're extremely clear. This is a critical key event on every single chart this morning. Crash and sell-off is a gift. So this is what we're monitoring carefully, one step at a time this morning. And this is how every single instrument on the planet looks like. So when selling pressure picking up this theme and rules are met, intelligent trader takes a trade. That pure and that simple. So the best thing that happens this morning, market in free fall with institutional profit taking. The worst thing that will happen this morning, sell-off ends here. If sell-off ends here and market stuck in chop, intelligent trader on sideline. Again, every single chart prepared well before market open. This is where market sold off on May 10th on every single chart. This is what we need to see today. Converting this chart to micro chart. Again, you knew all of this well before market open. When you are preparing with AlphaFibonacci system, no software on the chart, none is present. Proprietary strategy, proprietary rules only. Software is here. It's a bold red zone. Simple and pure. On every chart. On S&P mini future this morning. So the critical key level that's playing out in front of you this morning, that retail trader monitors carefully, that constitutes only retail profit taking is identical level where S&P skyrocketed from on key institutional chart. Catastrophic events in the Middle East, market is bought with vengeance. This is how intelligent trader trades, strategizing far in advance with AlphaFibonacci system. Hamas invades Israel on October 7th. October 7th, Putin's birthday. Market skyrocketing October 31st. You know far in advance this is not the place to short. You know far in advance, despite catastrophic global events, market is bought with vengeance by billions and trillions of dollars. World becoming worse and worse and worse. Today, almost 7 months later, price is 1,000 points higher, as we discussed for many months. Intelligent trader never trades on the news. Intelligent trader using limitless brain. Here we are on this chart where billions and trillions of dollars are traded. Here we are on retail chart, monitoring identical level on every single chart. That constitutes retail profit taking only. From Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified hours before market open. So when you can trade one, you can trade them all. Last week, someone asked me a question about bonds. This is where bonds collapsed from May 7th. I don't remember ever opening chart on bonds in years. This is where bonds picked up this steam. Absolutely your choice if you want to trade bonds or not. But if you decide to trade Apple, you remember where to buy from, and you understand where Apple crashed from and skyrocketed from again in November. So it's all the same. Nvidia buy point at the bottom, Nvidia sell-off and correction with worthless sellers. As we discussed for months, 770 lifeline on Nvidia. Catastrophic events on Amazon, when Amazon collapsed 65% in 2022 from 190 until critical key buy point at 80, is a stunning reminder. Safe haven lies in you and your limitless brain. You do not waste time chasing indicators. You do not surround yourself with traders who do not make money. You surround yourself with strategic, intelligent traders who know where to buy at the bottom, who know where brick walls are present. 104 lifeline on euro. S&P continues selling off. Absolutely no retail buyers. This is absolutely excellent news for retail trader. As intelligent trader understands, critical key event is here. So if today we're seeing institutional crash, you are very well prepared with a single glimpse with Alpha Fibonacci software as a bold red zone, with Alpha Fibonacci proprietary levels, without software on every chart you choose to trade. That's it. And that's Monday open with Alpha Fibonacci software and system on every single chart. Sell-off picking up the steam, converting this chart to 3. So again, this is retail levels to the downside. This is retail trading range. Very important moment. So when you know far in advance, well before market open, that this is your trading range, and you understand how important this event is, all the stress all the chasing goes away. You are very well prepared. You become proactive, intelligent trader. When you're trading markets strategically as intelligent chess, you start enjoying this game. You stop stressing out. You start trading with ultimate precision. If buyers defend this level, it means this morning's pullback is retail only. It means price will be testing this level next. Key event now. Can you stay in your lane when you drive? If the answer is yes, you can trade with AlphaFibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 or system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So when you focus on simplicity and you know far in advance where critical buy and sell points are, and if you know far in advance where to enter and exit your trade, everything changes in your trading. You start enjoying trading markets as strategic, intelligent chess. Retail traders defending by point. That's it. It's that simple. There is no sell-off, there is no crash. So price continues being stuck in this trading range. Intelligent trader prepared far in advance with a single glimpse. But again, there is only one good thing that will happen at this level. Powerful buying, not junky one. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. I choose to show you various options on various charts. This is a critical key moment to the upside that identifies bullish weakness. That intelligent trader understands critical key this morning. Price breaks through this level, market will skyrocket. Again, bold green zone, retail weakness is present. Again, key event. Identical level, as you're witnessing on S&P mini future now, I choose to project on 1 minute chart, is what playing out on euro. Charts are twins. Identical level on oil. During oil news, you knew far in advance, well before bullish news, that this is a place to buy oil. You knew far in advance, as you know now, that this is a critical key sell point. Only when rules are met, you can take short. Again, identical event on euro. Now, on every chart, identical event on S&P. Did we know or did we know that this will be key event to the upside? Of course. Identical levels as on euro, as on oil, as on Amazon, as on Apple, as on gold. Price remains stuck at this level, it's chop. Intelligent trader knows how to trade this. Key event. This level is out, this level is next. Again, identical on every instrument. Every time frame, every platform. Trading room is open so you can see instruments in the live markets and ask questions. Again, we knew this morning that bold green zone is a key retail buy point. Again, buyers picking up this theme, this remains your trading range. There is nothing else. Ultimate precision only. So if you took this trade, which we will discuss in the class next, you understand you need to scale out and take profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break even. Again, identical event in a play on Apple. Charts are twins. What you're witnessing in front of you live is exactly the reason system trading on Wall Street. System traded by traders from 14 to 80 plus year olds. Any chart you choose to trade, you obey the rules. And remember forever. Bold green zone, monitor for long. Rules are met, take a trade. But remember, in day trading, precision is critical. Do not ever ignore decision point 2. Protect your profits. Scale out accordingly to your lot size. If you will ever choose to ignore decision point 2, where price collapses from and reverses from high 80% of the time, success is not possible. This is critical key level to the upside. Price moves one step at a time. Identical level to the upside, S&P struggling to break through, as we learn in the course is a critical key target, is identical level where Tesla skyrocketed from. Tesla collapsed from 400 level until 100, reminding you, all the hype, all the noise means nothing. Obey the rules and short, not buy Tesla 2022. Correct? If you buy Tesla, you understand quite well where critical key buy point is. To the upside, S&P respecting this chart, this level. We're not seeing institutional power this morning, we're seeing only retail weakness. We're not seeing multiple alerts, we're seeing only single alert. You can pull 10, 15, 20 points out of the market when it does not exist. AlphaFibonacci system and software showing you clearly where to enter, where to exit the trade. Every single system and software tested during brutal market conditions. Retail chop constitutes brutal markets. You cannot possibly avoid and ignore brutal markets. This is what your success depends on. You master retail chop. You master brutal markets. The skies are the limit. That's it. There is nothing else. This is the only option that's present. So again, there is no software on this chart, only system. Partial pieces of software present in front of you. I can project chart with and without software. I'm focusing on precision and simplicity this morning. It's a bold green zone, software spelled out clearly. It's a bold red zone, software spelled out clearly. It's a critical key, proprietary level this morning to the upside. So again, I converted this chart to 1 for ultimate precision, so you can see how critical this event is. This is S&P mini future 1 minute chart. This is Tesla institutional chart. Identical levels on every instrument, every time frame, every platform. Choice is yours what you want to trade. The events on oil are stunning and flawless reminder. No matter what happens with the global events, nowhere to short oil. And you know this far in advance. Know where to buy oil. Working with students in Saudi Arabia, I learned they are not allowed to short, they're only allowed to buy the markets. Wow, shocking. What I learned from my students in Japan, in South Africa, in Senegal, in Thailand, in London, in Dubai. Every trader trades different instrument, different time frame, different platform. There is only one reason trading room is open, so you can see precision in the live markets, so you can ask questions. Here are bonds in the live markets now. Again, chart present in the trading room for a week. Again, identical level where bonds reversed from on May 10th. And you knew far in advance this is buy point. And you knew far in advance where bonds would struggle to the upside. Again, on any chart. Bonds will test you to the core. Bonds are extremely expensive. S&P, the top day trading instrument in US, showing you critical key level again is tested. There is nothing else. My goodness. On bonds, it's weakness. Bonds are twins with euro. Price is stuck in pain. Whatever chart you choose to trade, it is all the same. How you trade weakness will define your success forever. And that's S&P mini future, testing critical key level. This level is out, this level to follow. Ultimate precise alpha Fibonacci chess. This morning you're extremely clear. Where market reversed from, where price is struggling to break through, that's it. So when you trade with AlphaFibonacci software or system on any chart you choose to trade, you trade with ultimate precision and simplicity. All you have to do is make an effort and identify, is S&P mini future appropriate for you? Or is it oil? Or is it Apple? Or is it Amazon? Or is it Nvidia that skyrocketed 900% from Alpha Fibonacci buy point? Absolutely your choice, as traders all over the world trading stocks, trading Forex, trading Bitcoin. You can find traders podcasts on our website. So please review the information on the website. You can always join us in the trading room where you can ask questions in the live markets. Views a movie student in London made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13 years, teaching traders in US and globally how to trade proprietary system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So if you're ready to trade as JP Morgan trader who is trading proprietary system, I look forward to working with you. You can decide to trade with software for NinjaTrader 8 if you are day trade futures, or if you're trading stocks, forex, crypto, ETFs, mutual funds, commodities, bonds, on any other platform, on all platforms, TradeStation, TradingView, MT4, MT5, Interactive Brokers, Nvidia, Infinity. All of these traders trade all over the world. So this is the reason Emmanuel bringing his wife to the course, Carlton keep bringing his friends, Ken is my dearest friend for life, Richard David retired trading the system, CEO coming to classes to share his personal journey, 2 o'clock in the morning in Australia. My students' journeys and stories, the reason I live and breathe what I do. So when you view students' emails with traders from all over the world, you understand. If these traders can do it, so can you. That simple and that pure. Listen to Traders Podcast, view students' performance reviews, and choose the option appropriate for you. This is proprietary system. I am based in US. But if I will decide to be based in Europe and US, as in the past I was based in Dubai until the world lost its mind. I continue working with students all over the world in private mentoring, the most desirable package. Private mentoring savings well over $8,000, as during mental awareness months I include Alpha Brain course with each package in addition to savings offered on the platform. Group course second option, the most popular option. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. If you do not come to live classes, it's never a problem. 50-60% of traders learning the system via video library. Over 300 videos of prior live recorded classes available to you 24/7. Any questions for me? Please do not hesitate to contact me. simply call or email me. US 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. If I cannot respond right away, I promise you, I will always return your email. I will always return your call, because I live and breathe what I do. So thank you, traders, so much for this morning. As price testing, proprietary level again. Ultimate precision during brutal markets continues. There is nothing else. No speculative targets, no speculative entries. No gambling, no chasing markets. But again, if psychological and technical test is not for you, use system long term. Look at the charts once an hour, once a day, once a week, once a month. Absolutely your decision. What instrument, what time frame you decide to trade. We're off to the live class next. Scanner keeps confirming retail weakness only. There is no multiple alerts. It's a pain. It's a crawl. Intelligent trader understands this is key event. Ultimate test is passed by proprietary system with and without software. And if price collapses again, intelligent trader very well prepared. All the rules in the live class next. As price reminding you again and again and again, please do not speculate. Please do not gamble. Please stop chasing junk indicators. You have opportunity to trade with ultimate precision, as traders have done for the last 13 years. On all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. And that's a stunning lesson today. With AlphaFibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 and without, what you will decide to trade is your choice. AlphaFibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Identical event on S&P, as on Amazon, as on Euro, as on oil, as on Bitcoin, as on bonds, as on gold, as on Nvidia, as on every single instrument, because AlphaFibonacci system based on pure price for entry and proprietary AlphaFibonacci retracements, proprietary strategies that you can install on all platforms. That's it. Or with software for NinjaTrader 8. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular morning. We're off to the live class. I hope you're joining us soon.